Hey guys, John here with outdoor power equipment, and in today's video, I'm gonna be replacing my blades on on my on on my John Deere e100 2020 John Deere e100. Stay tuned. See, here's the new blade. Compare it from the old blade. So it goes on here like that, and now I have a washer and bolt that goes right on here, and then the bolt like this. Just gonna hand tighten it first. See that is loose still. So I grab my torque wrench with a 15/16 socket to tighten it up. That should be tight enough. Yes, it is. And now on to the other side. Try to get you to sit properly. The other blade, like that. I can tell right there is sharp. That's where it cuts it. Grab my other washer, other bolt, stick it on there, put the bolt on with hand tight in it. Ouch. Like that. Grab my breaker bar and stop